Hey guys, it's Emily here from Heartmybody Fitness. Today I want to talk to you about an exercise that I used to hate, but now I kind of love. The push-up. If you like today's topic, let me know by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and of course commenting on videos with what you want to learn more of. The push-up is a great exercise that uses muscles in our entire body. It focuses primarily on our pecs or our chest muscles, the front part of our shoulder called our anterior deltoid, and the back of our arms or our triceps. This guy, this stuff right in here. It also uses muscles throughout the rest of our body, including but certainly not limited to our core. Now, because there is so much going on in a push-up, it's a hard exercise, and for a long time I hated push-ups. I had a shoulder injury, they were so hard for me, and I just really never did them. I know for a lot of women we tend to have weaker upper bodies than our male counterparts, and for that reason it can feel really discouraging to not be able to do a push-up very well. So today I'm going to show you how to do a push-up properly, how to change this exercise to meet your current needs based on where you are now, and then how to progress the push-up as you master each level of it.
Okay, let's go over basic push-up form. A push-up is essentially a plank, but with arm movement. For this reason, there should be a straight line that goes from our head to our heels, even at the bottom of the push-up. Going from our feet up, we will see our feet parallel hip-width apart, our legs straight, glutes squeezed tight, and core engaged. We also want our hands shoulder-width apart, our elbows pointing diagonally out to the side, and our gaze down at the ground or diagonally in front of us so that our head stays in line with the rest of our body. Now, if you can't go quite as low as I'm going in these videos, don't. Only go as low in the push-up as you can in good form. If you aren't quite at the level of doing a full push-up with your hands and feet on the ground, there are a couple of options for you. The first option is to do a push-up just as you normally would, but with your hands at a level that is higher than your feet. You can see here that I'm using a bar to elevate my hands. You can also use a wall or a bench, and then as you progress, place your hands on a surface that is lower and lower, closer to the actual ground. Another great option is to do knee push-ups. So all the same rules will apply, you'll just have a straight line going from your head down to your knees. For the next level of the push-up, you will use a combination of your knees and your feet. On the way down, you'll be on your feet, and on the way up, you'll be on your knees. I really like this option because half of the push-up is like a full push-up, and then the other half makes it a little bit easier so that you can complete this push-up successfully. Once you've mastered all of the options I just mentioned, it is time for you to rock that regular full body push-up. Now that you've mastered the regular push-up, you can start to get a little fancy. I like to challenge my push-ups in all sorts of ways. One way is to decrease the stability or increase the instability by using one foot. You can still see I'm maintaining my form, I just have one foot elevated up off the ground, even if it's just a few inches. One more way you can challenge yourself in a push-up is by elevating your feet higher than your hands. You can use a step or a box. I chose to use a Dynamax ball that I had available to me when I was shooting at my gym, Olympics Fitness. The instability of the ball and the height of it caused this to be a really challenging push-up.
There you have it, guys. If today's video was helpful for you, please like it, share it out, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I so appreciate it. Sophie loves the push-ups, don't you? Say hi. Oh, say hi. Oh. Let me see.